Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Jessie. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we're making an Uncle Tetsu inspired Japanese cotton cheesecake. So hopefully it turns out really fluffy and jiggly. Let's get right into it. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. Separate 5 eggs into egg whites and egg yolks. Mix the egg yolks together and then set aside. Over low heat, add the cream cheese, the butter, and the sugar. Let everything melt and dissolve and mix it completely until it's smooth and creamy. Add in the egg yolks and mix it together well. Now add the milk and a dash of vanilla extract. Add the flour, cornstarch, and mix all that together until it's nice and smooth and the lumps are gone. Fill a tray with about 1 to 2 centimeters of water and place it inside the oven. Now we whisk the egg whites. When the egg whites turn into a white, foamy sort of texture, we can now add the sugar. Continue mixing the egg whites until it's creamy and stiff peaks are formed. Mix a small amount of egg whites into the batter. Mix it very slowly and gently. Once that's mixed, add a bit more egg white and do the same. Now we pour the batter into the rest of the egg whites. And using a folding motion, gently mix everything together. Prepare a baking tray and coat it with baking paper. Since it's my first time baking a cake, I don't have a round tray, so we're going to be using a rectangle one instead. Pour the batter mixture into the tray. And you can tap it on the bench a few times to get rid of some air bubbles. Now we place it into the water bath and bake for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, open the oven door for a few seconds while we decrease the heat and bake for another 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, we turn the oven off and let it rest inside the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's ready! Yum! That looks so jiggly and soft. Oh, it smells amazing as well. And there we have it, Japanese fluffy cheesecake. So good.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright.